Well, Halloween is less than 2 weeks away and candy will take the spotlight. Joining me today is Dr. Jason Grinter to talk about how too much candy can impact oral health and lung health. Thank you so much for being here, Dr. Grinter. Pleasure having you this early Saturday morning.
Yes. Yeah.
All right, so a dentist with lots of candy, kind of a bit of a oxymoron there, but
Sure is, but it doesn't have to be, right?
Okay.
So yeah, so we've got Halloween right around the corner.
Right.
And so Halloween means candy, and candy can mean cavities, but not always. So I brought a few options here to take a look at. We don't want to have any surprises on our next dental checkup, right? So for, when we look at candy to hand out to the trick-or-treaters, we've got this, right? So we've got sugar-free options, sugar-free chocolates, sugar-free mints. Those are sweetened with xylitol, which is a sugar alternative, which is a little bit better for fighting cavities and not getting cavities in general.
Okay, so sugar-free is the way to go if we're trying to, be cautious about our dental health.
Exactly.
Okay.
And if this whole table was filled with just nothing but candy, chocolate is the way to go.
Oh,
so
surprise.
yeah, so chocolate will melt away. It's not going to stick to the teeth. It's not going to get into the grooves of our teeth and cause cavities, right? If given a choice, you're going to want to have chocolate that's got nuts or wafers in it instead of like a caramel, again, because it's going to be sticking to your teeth, right? We want to kind of prevent that.
So things like Twizzlers and those kind of sticky,
caramel,
gooey.
like caramel, that's not as good as just a nice chocolate bar, right?
Okay.
And how about some sugar-free gum? Sugar-free gum will really do a lot of good things for us. It'll increase the saliva in our mouth. The saliva is our natural protection for cavities, help to neutralize the acids caused by the sugars. We have some non-candy treats. That's an option too.
Okay.
We got slime and a bunch of stuff that you can hand out.
Okay.
But in general, moderation is key. So if you're going to have candy, just chocolate, whatever, have it in moderation.
Absolutely.
But drink lots of water, right? So
and
water
brush your teeth.
and brush your teeth. Water will help to neutralize the sugars the same way the gum does. In brushing your teeth, especially Halloween night, nighttime is the best time to brush your teeth. So don't forget that, and then you should be fine.
We should brush them in the morning and the evening, but
you absolutely should, but just a reminder, especially after Halloween, right?
Okay, and so you also shared with us that dental health can impact our lung health, and that's something that I did not realize. I mean, I know that, your teeth can impact your health in general, but specifically talk to us about what we need to be watching out for in terms of our lungs.
Yeah, and it's the same bacteria that cause cavities and gum disease that can create inflammation in our bodies. They can create infection in our bodies, and that can really do a number for lung conditions, right? So that constant state of inflammation when you think about asthma and other lung conditions. So keeping your teeth nice and healthy, going to the dentist regularly will help to keep our entire body healthy, and especially our lungs.
Okay. Awesome. And going back to the candy treats here, you've got some M&Ms here as well. So I know you said if you're going to do chocolate, to have it with something like a wafer or some type of peanut or something, so that makes it better. Okay.
It just, if you're in having it in moderation, right? So have a couple pieces of candy and walk away, and you should be good. Yep.
All right. Well, Dr. Grinter, anything else that you'd like to add?
Well, just that Delta Dental will be sponsoring the Lung Force Walk, which is tomorrow.
Okay.
It's in Contigli Park in Wheaton. Participants can do a 5K walk or a longer walk. This year, Delta Dental sponsored Hero Capes for children that participate with asthma. We'll have flu shots, radon test kits. I'll be there handing out toothbrushes and toothpaste. Proceeds go to research, advocacy, and programs here in Illinois.
All right, Dr. Grinter, thank you so much for joining us this morning. And for more information, that Lung Force Walk is tomorrow morning at Canton G Park in Wheaton. Hopefully I said that right. For more information, you can visit lungforce.org. You can also find them on social media. Make sure you stick with us. Weekend Break is coming up next.